गुड नॉन, सबको नमस्कार। I congratulate you all for in this historical event of 9th anniversary Foundation Day of our function of our university. I extend my thanks to Mrs. Anupam Nidhi, CSR Head of Anil Dhirubhai Ambani Group. In a very short notice, she has agreed, came over here and blessed us. Thank you, madam. Professor Madhukar Upadhyay, Dr. Tripathi, Professor Dilip Singh, Srikar Sahib, who is a great researcher on tribal art and history, Sri Nandlal Singh, deans, professors, my colleague teachers, my colleague non-teaching staff, research scholars, students, and friends. It's a day of joy, celebration, because we have completed 9 years. I remember the services rendered by Professor C.D. Singh, the first Vice Chancellor. The teachers and the non-teaching staff who have taken pay to develop this university to this stage. Thank you very much. 9 years, 10 years, 8 years, they are very small in the history of an institution. We have to go a long way, very long way. Yes, only we remember, sky is not limit for us. We have to cross the sky. With the help of Anupam Nidhi. I am a great believer of God, and I have a great faith in human beings. I have a great faith in my colleagues, in my students. We have just completed our NAC visit. The NAC team, they were just mad after our cultural program. The chairman of the NAC team asked me, Sir, really they are students? They are not professionals? I said, Sir, you are right. They are students and they are professionals. Thanks to the service, devoted service of Dr. Santosh Sonkar, who is coordinator of Palash Theatre Group. On behalf of university, I request Sonkar to come here. A small gift to his tribal group. It is a token of love of you all. It is 5,000 rupees. Thank you. Madam Anupam Nidhi, you have blessed us. She has blend of two important things. one is Anupam, another is Nidhi. Only one is sufficient, but you are two. Anupam, Bejo, uncomparable. And the treasure, Nidhi. We need both. We were in search of a great treasure. I used to say myself, भगवान हमें रास्ता दिखाएंगे जरूर. नंदलाल सिंह जी के माध्यम से भगवान ने हमें रास्ता दिखाया. It is not business we want to do with you. It is a noble action for the development of this biggest, noblest country, India. We have to shake our hands for the development which our Prime Minister is seeking. Skilled India, we want to make skilled India. We want to train our students, our teachers to make India in a bigger way, in a skilled way. We have to create, we have to make, we have to recreate. For this, we have 2-3 programs, like we have wind power projects. We have to go for wind power project. We have to go for solar power projects. Conservation of water. It is like Chirapunji, but no drinking water. The water will flow. Water will come out and water will flow. No preservation of water. University has taken steps to preserve the water. MHRD, UGC, the Honorable Prime Minister, they are urging, they are telling, they are preaching that academia industry interface must be created. How we have to create academia industry interface? We don't have any industries with us. We don't have any industries nearby. We don't have any big teacher who has a tie-up with industries. But now I can say, yes, madam, with your help, we can create academia industry interface. Our students in the syllabus, they can share the industry experience. They can visit the industries with Anil Ambani Group they have. And at the same time, the experts who are working with the group, they can be a part of our Board of Studies group. They will come, they will share the industry experience, and they will enrich our teachers. By another way, they will enrich our students. The student, a girl who is studying PSC Environmental Science, Biotechnology, she will visit Biotechnology Group of Bombay, Anil Ambani Group, or any other group, where she will interact with the scientists who are working for the development of the industry, development of India. She will get first-hand information and she will be enriched. She will be focused. She will come to campus with very much focus. The teacher will have should have a joint research program, joint research organization, joint research spaces where our teacher can go to Mumbai to utilize the space, utilize the lab facilities, share her experience, his experience with the people who are directly involved in the industry, and the scientists who are involved in the industry can guide us. They can guide us how our labs, 52 world-class labs, be enriched, how they can be utilized in this way. This will give our industry exposure to teachers and our students. And the sixth one is joint collaborative research programs. We have Mahua with us. We have many more forest products with us. We don't know, tribals don't know what to do with the products. For example, Lakh we have. You know, in Mahabharata, लाक्षागृह में पांडवों को रखकर जलाने की कोशिश की गई। ये लाक्षागृह यही बना था क्योंकि यही लाख पैदा होता है। आप में से तो किसी को मालूम है? मुझे 6 महीने यहाँ आने के बाद मुझे मालूम हुआ यही प्रदेश है जहाँ लाख बहुत बनता है और आदिवासियों से बिचौले 2 पैसे में 2 कौड़ी में उसको खरीदते। What to do? What to do? Our researchers, our scientists who are sitting here, we have to do something. इस लाख को, इस महुआ को, इस मेज को, यहाँ के जो माइनर फॉरेस्ट प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, इनका कलेक्शन, इनका क्लीनिंग और इनका पैकिंग एंड इनके मार्केटिंग कैसे किया जाए। फॉर एग्जाम्पल कोदो कुटकी इज ए स्मॉल मिलेट विच इज amply available here. इसका इतना मेडिसिनल वैल्यू है, डायबिटीज के लोग भरपेट इसको खा सकते हैं। Here it is, tribals are selling it for 20 rupees kg. In just Bilaspur, it is 220 rupees kg. तो हम मैनेजमेंट के फैकल्टी डीन एंड एवरीबडी इज सिटिंग हियर, फैकल्टी मेंबर्स आर सिटिंग हियर, हम थोड़ी सी मेहनत करके इन आदिवासियों को एक सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप बनाकर कि हम एक महुआ को ले लें या मेज को ले लें या किसी और प्रोडक्ट को ले लें, शहद को ले लें, हनी को ले लें, तो हम इसको कैसे करें। अब मैडम हमें हिंदी मिल गई है, हम बताइए, हम रेडी हैं, हम पैक करके मुंबई को भेज देते हैं। मार्केटिंग आप है, आपके कोई एजेंसी करे, आपके कोई लोग करे, क्योंकि एम्प्लॉयमेंट ऑल्सो विल बी जनरेटेड एट बॉम्बे एज वेल एज एट अमरकंटक। I am very much pleased and very much happy. As earlier also I told, it is not business, it is a holy relation for the development of our motherland, India. In the next stage, my young scientists, a group of scientists will visit Mumbai, how to go about it. Because I believe the action taken before, the action taken plan. Otherwise, we teachers are very much famous to give lectures and go down. But fortunately, unfortunately, I am a Vice Chancellor. I believe in action. I believe in action, and as a Vice Chancellor, I am a marketing strategist also. Because thousands of students' pay depends upon our action. If university will be successful, your future will be very successful. If university will be failure, how can you see your future successful? To make university successful, the last man of the university, an attender, and a guard, a Vice Chancellor should tie up with themselves and work. I thank you one and all for giving a wonderful support at the time of NAT or at the time of any type of crisis or at the time of how to face water crisis, how to face the power crisis, how to cope up with the age, how cope up with the modern facilities, cope up with the modern equilibrium, how we have to make our university in a national way, in an international way. You are all always ready to help the administration, ready to help the Vice Chancellor. Thank you very much. There are one, two very pleasant announcements are there. Today, we have a feast for teaching, non-teaching, supporting staff and students also. हम सबको यूनिवर्सिटी की ओर से खाना दिया जा रहा है. बच्चे सभी सारक्ता समक्का मेस बिल्डिंग में खाना खाएंगे. टीचिंग, नॉन टीचिंग, सपोर्टिंग स्टाफ, दे विल टेक lunch in admin building, nearby building, so that arrangement में easy होगा. आपके एग्जाम्स बहुत नजदीक आ रहे हैं. You have to work hard. You have to work hard. You have to अब ये सोचकर आपको काम करना है, पढ़ना है. हम ऐसे पढ़ेंगे जैसे कुछ दिनों बाद हम नहीं रहे. हमको अपना पूरा काम आज ही समाप्त करना है. You have to complete your syllabus. You have to complete your homework. You have to complete your assignment. You have to attend your library. At the same time, you have to keep clean your campus. You have to keep clean your campus. Thanks to you all. You are always helping the university administration to keep the campus very clean and very hygienic. With these few words, I extend my heartfelt thanks to Anupam Nidhi and the organizing team of Dr. Tripathi, Bhuminath Tripathi and his team. Day and night, restlessly they have worked, they have made it success. And thanks to our in-charge campus development, there is Dr. Professor, who has made it possible. पिछले सभा में आप जानते हैं बड़ी गर्मी में हमने यहाँ सभा की. Now it is possible. Yesterday, whole night they have worked tightly. AC is working. Every system is working. Thanks to NPCC and their hard work. With these few words, I extend my thanks to Anupam Nidhi and everybody. Thank you.